Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to our channel City Closers. So today we are again with one more video about the row houses project, which is located in one of the very famous location. It is quite center of east or close to north, I can say, very close to the Chennai Express Highway, very close to the STRR. And let me tell you some major points. So from this particular project, within 6 minutes to 30 minutes, we have 8 to 9 schools. That too, those are international schools. When it talks about the corporate, we have again within 5 minutes to 30 minutes around 7 to 8 corporates. To talk about the healthcare, we have again 5 minutes to 30 minutes of drive, some 4 to 5 hospitals. And when it comes to the entertainment, we have around 4 malls closer by. So yes, this is the project by very well-renowned builder by Shobha, and the property name is Shobha Galera. So this particular project is spread across 4.08 acres of land parcel, where they are coming up only 40 units. Yes, we have north facing and east facing row houses, which is really designed in a Spanish theme. So let me tell you why the name Galera has been fixed, because Galera is a city name in Spain, and the architecture who has designed this villa or the row houses is also from Spain. So the major thing of Spanish theme is like, this is a neighborhood, friendly neighborhood. Okay, you get along with your neighbors very well, and a lot of green space will be there. We will definitely take you inside the villa also, which is, I can say, it is either you can keep it as a 5 BHK or you can design as a 4 BHK, if in case you don't want one particular room to be utilized as media room or gym kind of. So this particular project has come up with 30 plus amenities. Yes, I think nothing to talk on the amenities when it comes to the A category, because they make sure they give all sort of amenities which their buyers required in their home, in their home, or just to enjoy their lifestyle in this kind of ultra luxury row houses project, right? So we will be definitely talking about the what kind of room sizes we have, what is the terrace area, how they have designed. I'll definitely take you inside. So yes, to talk about these 40 units which are in this particular project, the all corner units, which is 8 units, will be a triplex row houses, and another 32 will be a duplex. To talk on the plot area, the triplex row houses are constructed on 90 by 30, which is almost 2,700 square feet, and the built up area is close to 4,000 square feet. Duplex row houses are constructed on 20 by 90 is the plot area, and the construction area is almost 3,000 square feet, right? And the beneficial or the benefit, I can say, in this particular project, that the UDS which you will be getting is almost 93 to 95%. Yes, you heard the right. So we are standing right in front of the mock-up unit, okay, and towards my left side there is a car parking given, where easily we can park 2 cars. Just next to that there is a green garden given, so any customer, if they want to customize to make it another car parking, they can definitely do that. And each row houses will come up with the same exterior elevation. So this is the main door, and just beside this we have another door also for the privacy purpose. Each row house has got 2 car parking. So we are entering in the villa or in the row house. I'm sure you must be excited. So yes, as soon as we enter, we have a huge foyer area which you can see. And let me tell you that whatever the interiors you are seeing in this row house, that is being done by the Shobha team. Right in the entrance, we have one bedroom which is with the attached toilet. This could be your guest room. Each room has got this Gillette window design. So this is basically done as a Spanish theme. You will find out each and everything which is just as a Spanish theme they have designed. So now we come to our living room, where you know, a nice crockery or nice wooden interior has been done for the TV unit, and here you can place your sofa. This is your living space. It has got a double height. You can see the triplex row houses has got the double height ceiling. This space which you're seeing, probably this space and this wall will be for the lift provision. And right opposite to this, we have, this is the beauty of these row houses. It's an open space, a kind of small veranda. Probably if somebody wants, they can definitely convert this into the garden also. Right opposite to this, we have the powder room. After this, we have the dining over here. Easily 6 to 7 people can accommodate this dining. Behind that, there is a space given for the interiors to be done. And this side, we can, this particular side, if somebody wants, they can definitely use it as a, you know, breakfast counter or the, you know, bar counter, because here the, you know, the woodwork has been done, right? Opposite to this, we have the, you know, private garden. Let me show you that. So this is the garden space. This is the beauty of being in row houses or, you know, villa kind of property, where you get your privacy, where you get your private space to enjoy the nature and to enjoy your hobby. If somebody really have, you know, like doing the planting of organic vegetables or fruits. Now let's get inside the kitchen. This is a closed kitchen. Viewers, you can see parlor shape, you know, the slabs have been given. Here is one sink. Very well the interiors can be done. And just behind this, so here is the double door refrigerator space. This is again a kind of a utility where you can keep your washing machine, you can keep your dishwasher, and this is one more sink which is given inside. Right after this, even we have one more space to do the interiors and utilize the place very well. So here is a small space is given which can be definitely utilized as a small puja room. Right next to that, we will be leading towards the first floor via steps. So yes, now we are leading to the you know, maid's room, which has its own restroom attached. Yes, so after this is the again a sit out kind of you know, place, which leads us to the master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom, quite spacious, very lavishly done. In the corner we have the, you know, cupboard space, and it has its own balcony, a huge balcony. So this has got a nice view from your balcony. So you can see that the doors and the windows which is being designed, it is not as simple as you find out in the any other villas or, you know, the apartment project, because this is designed as a Spanish theme. So this is the again you know, wardrobe, tuck-in wardrobe, and here we have the restroom, quite spacious. This side we have the bathing corner is separate. Nothing to talk much on the the fittings and all, because everybody knows how the Shobha utilizes the material, right? So that's the reason we are not talking anything on that. This, I was telling, the double height ceiling. Just see, it gives a different a look or a wow feel to your space. When you walk around here, again you have the window, which is again in the Spanish theme. So if nobody wants, if someone don't want to create their down the puja room where I was explaining, they can definitely properly utilize this space as a puja room. So now we are entering in the kids play area, kids room. Okay, this is the kids room. The same way we have the corner mein, we have the wooden cupboard. There we have the study table for kids to just focus on their studies. And we have the Juliet balcony over here, Juliet window. The design plays very well role. This is the attached restroom. Now let's go to the second floor as well and just see what it has for us. So yes, we are on the second floor now, and this is the pantry room. I hope you must be thinking why the pantry room is given on the second floor where the kitchen is on the ground floor. Let me explain you that. So now this is the area which is, you can convert it as a media room. You can just put some sliding door over here on this space and just give yourself as a privacy just to enjoy your movie stuff. And of course, when we watch movie, we definitely want something to eat or drink. So that time it's easy for you to just go and access to your pantry room. And the tiles which you are seeing, this is the wooden texture tile, which gives a different feel to your a different look to your space. Now beside this we have a huge terrace. This is the terrace area. One can definitely enjoy their gardening or however they want to design. That's the best feel of being in the row houses, where you get the access to your individual terrace as well, right? So next to this we have another room. As I was saying, that one can consider this as a 5 BHK, because this room either you can keep it as your separate or as your own gym, or you can convert this again as a guest room as well. In this room also the texture wooden texture tiles have been given. You can see right now. So this has been designed as a separate gym. Now we are entering to another room, which is again for probably a second guest room, you can say. It has the same Juliet windows over this side. So yeah, because of this actually lot of light and ventilation happens in the room where you don't feel dark. This leads to the washroom now. Anti-skid tiles have been utilized, quite spacious. The restrooms have been given by Shobha Builder. So yeah, this is all about I can say 4 BHK or 5 BHK villa in Shobha Galera project. And if in case you have any queries regarding this particular project or any other project, you can definitely give us a call. We would love to help you. We would love to guide you and support you in your home buying inquiries. Also, if you have liked this video, please do share with your friends, do share with your relatives. And yes, of course, if you have not subscribed our channel, so definitely kindly do that, so that whenever we upload any video, you should be the first one to watch that. As I mentioned in all my videos, definitely please, we would love to listen your comment, because your comment gives us the feedback that really our videos are beneficial for you or it's not. Thank you so much. Stay well.